We'll guide you through how to connect an external hard drive to a laptop or computer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do because you can then go and start accessing the different files on it, and you can also go and start moving files onto it as well, or moving files from it. So we're going to guide you through how this is done, because you may only have so much storage on your computer, and so you want to go and put it onto an external one. And it also means you can then put it onto other computers as well. You can easily go and transfer it. So we're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So to go and get started, you need to go and grab your hard drive like so. You need to go and grab the cable. Here it is. Now in some cases you may need to go and connect the cable to the hard drive. That's already connected though. So here we go and have a USB cable. So now what you need to do is, we're doing this on a laptop. If it's a computer, you'll need to go onto the tower itself. What we need to do is go and find the USB ports. So we can see one is there, and you can look on the other side and we can go and see we have another one there as well. So we've got two. On other computers, you can go and have more or maybe even less. Now there is potential as well that you go and have a different cable on your hard drive. That's fine, because it could be a USB-C, and majority of laptops are going to have one. You can see we've got one here, which is just a smaller USB essentially. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and plug it in. It's important to note that USBs can only go in one way. So here you've got the top of the USB, and here's the back. So for the majority of laptops, you're going to go and have the USB going in, so the front or top is facing up like this. In some cases, maybe the other way. We can just go and try though. Just do it carefully, because you don't want to go and force it, as it can't go in if it's the wrong way, and if you force it, it could damage it. So I'm going to go and use this USB here. So I've got the cable, it's facing up, and we can try sliding it in, and it goes and slides in really nicely. Now if you go and do it the wrong way, you're going to go and find it doesn't go in. Don't go and force it, that's really important to note. So we can go and find that it slides nicely in this way. Just make sure you push it all the way. You don't want to go and have a loose connection. Now, hopefully you can go and see it's now lighting up. We should shortly go and get a pop-up on the computer saying we've gone and connected a drive. You may not. You can go and see we just had it there. So you can see this is called GRV, yours can be called something different. Then what you can do is you can go and open up your file explorer at the bottom of your computer. You can come over to the left and scroll down and find this PC, and there it is. You can go and see we've got GRV, so we can double click on it and we can then access the files and folders in here. I can move a folder or file by dragging it onto the desktop, or I could drag it into my documents, and of course you could go and drag onto the drive as well. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.